The first high-speed railway in Indonesia and Southeast Asia has handled more than 1 million passenger trips since its commercial operation. The Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway was officially launched on October 17th. According to the China State Railway Group Cooperation Limited, the railway's passenger trips hit the 1 million mark on Sunday. As the year-end is approaching, the train services have seen rapidly growing passenger flow with up to 48 trips per day compared to the previous 14.
Di Jakarta, dalam jalan-jalan pertama kali. Bukan Jakarta jarak jauh sampai ke Semarang, Surabaya.
Saya ke Bandung, karena saya hari ini memang sengaja naik terus biar lebih cepat dan praktis. Mencoba yang bisnisnya. Empat nih. Ya bisa memberi pelayanan dan manfaat buat masyarakat Jakarta-Bandung, khususnya jadi seluruh Indonesia juga yang ingin bisnis ke Bandung maupun Jakarta lebih mudah, dan mudah-mudahan bisa menambah pendapatan atau kesejahteraan para penggunanya gitu, dengan waktu yang hemat, efisien, dan aman.
With a design speed of 350 km per hour, the 142.3 km HSR shortens the journey between Indonesia's capital Jakarta to Bandung in West Java province from over 3 hours to around 40 minutes.